Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today, we are at Taza Cafe, a newly opened cafe located at Neighbor Complex, Calvo, Mataram, Pangasinan. This is me taking my order. I ordered a total of 5 drinks, along with their lasagna overload, and the blueberry cheesecake, and also a cookie. They have different types of desserts and pastries here. You will surely have enough choices to choose from. I won't lie that the ambience here is pretty cozy once you enter, and the person who served us was the cafe's nice owner. They also have their own cute and personal photo booth, which I liked very much.
What the dog doing?
This is me clearly enjoying their personal photo booth. You can get a physical copy and also a digital one if you want to get the colored version. The first drink is called Honey Lemon Matcha, which is a matcha drink infused with lemon juice and honey. The second one is a Java Chips Frappuccino. The third drink is a pink drink inspired by Starbucks' pink drink. And this one is a vanilla sweet cream cold brew. And the last and final drink is a matcha latte. So this is me trying their lasagna overload, which I liked very much. Their blueberry cheesecake is very balanced in terms of its flavors. So our last and final dessert is their cookie overload, which has different chocolates inside that balances the flavor. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Till next time!